Hey everyone, it's Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Tesla. So you can do this two different ways. If you are parked in a position, you can just hit the lock button right here above your Tesla, and it should lock everything right there. Otherwise, you can just walk away, and after like 20 feet, it'll automatically lock it. But you can also exclude different areas. So we can go to settings right here, go to locks. Now if we scroll on down under here, under locks, you can see you can add more locks right there. But I have this option, walk away door lock, automatically lock doors and trunks when leaving with your phone key. You can exclude home, so if you're at home, you don't have to worry about that. But let's go ahead and just test this out. You can see I have my Tesla unlocked, and we'll walk away from it, and I turn that option off where I unlock the door at home. So there it is, and you should see like a flashing light or something like that. And we'll walk back like 20 feet and see if something happens. So let's see if the doors will lock here. You should see a flashing light, and we'll know it's locked. So you got to get about that far away, and the car will lock. So maybe what, like 20 meters away, and the door will lock automatically. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.